Your farm team sucks. Is what they're gonna say. The fuck is this?
Exactly. Right. And you got me thinking about that because I knew academically, all right, from that point, I knew academically that I could get the marks, okay? Then it eliminated a whole bunch of uncertainty, of stresses and everything of that nature because I knew that that aspect was okay. And then, amongst, like I said, 28,000 total, all right, new people, huge campus, so huge that between one of my courses, I had to buy a bicycle to get across, to get one side of the campus to the other side of the campus to be on time, because there was one class after the other. You have like that 10-minute window type of thing. So that's what it was like. So, and then I could focus on the social aspect about it. No, I'm not talking about parties like beer parties or something of that nature. I still have to put in the time. And what it allowed me to do is that, it's typically 5 courses per semester, right? But because I knew I was able to get the mark, then I could throw in an extra course or two, right? That wasn't available, other places, and still be able to excel, at, marks that way. So knowing that, you're making me think about it now, which is great, is that it added those benefits.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right?